Hey friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make some Daniel Fast foods and some Daniel Fast drinks for your 21-day Daniel Fast. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to make some Daniel Fast drinks. And you can see here I have one piece of ginger, I have about a medium-sized beet, and I have 2 apples. Generally, I suggest you either get Gala, Honeycrisp, or Jazz apples because the flavor is a bit sweeter. And then here I also have 8 large carrots. So this is going to make a good amount of juice, which I'll be able to use over 2 days. So that's why I have this many carrots and, so many apples as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel all of these fruits, and then really simple, I'm just going to put them right in my juicer. So this is the juicer that we have at home. This is from Hamilton Beach. I bought this on Amazon. This is not sponsored at all. I have no relationship with Hamilton Beach. I just really like this juicer, and I think it's cheap and economical and worked great. It was, I think, like $64. So I'll link it in the description box below if you're like, oh man, I would really like to, use a juicer, but you're not sure. So I'll make sure I'll share this one down below. So again, just gonna put this all in my juicer. Here I have a mason jar. So once I'm done juicing, I will store it in here and just put it in the fridge, and that will be fantastic. So now what do you do if you don't have a juicer? Well, your next alternative is to use a high-powered blender. You guys know from the past that I had a Ninja, but that broke after like 10 years. So I got a Vitamix. So this is the Vitamix that I have. I will link that down in the description for you if you're interested as well. This works so amazing, and I love this Vitamix. So same thing, I would just take the carrots, the ginger, the apple, and the beet. I would peel them, and then I would just put them right in my blender, and then I would blend them up. And once it's all blended and smooth, I will just use my nut milk bag. I'll pour it in here, I'll squeeze it out, and I'll have juice. So you don't have to have a juicer. If you have a high-powered blender like a Ninja or a Vitamix, you can absolutely use that instead. But since I have the juicer, I'm just going to use my juicer for this particular recipe. So again, here's this recipe. Now, I'll show you another recipe which I really like as well that I make in terms of having another Daniel Fast drink. So here I have some organic celery. When you're buying celery, make sure that you're getting organic celery. You want to make sure you're minimizing the pesticide load, so get organic celery. I have a medium-sized beet again. I have 1 cucumber, and then I have 2 Granny Smith apples, and I also have some lemon, and then in here I have some ginger. So again, same thing. I'm just going to peel and cut this all up, and then I'm going to put it through my juicer, and that will make another really delicious Daniel Fast drink. Now, I really love having these drinks first thing in the morning because I just feel like just give you a pop of energy, and it's great. You're, starting the day off with some good gut health and some energizing drinks. And so I will have this before I have my Daniel Fast oatmeal. So I think this is really great to start your day with. The next thing that I love to do in terms of Daniel Fast drinks, so, I can't drink water every single second. You want to change it up, but I love infused water. And so all I'll do is I'll just take a cucumber. I will chop this up, and then I'll also peel this lemon and chop it up, and I'll put this in a mason jar. And then when your mason jar, you just put it in here and fill it up with water and let that just sit in the fridge overnight. And I'll make 5 of these, so I'll have 1 for the day. Sometimes I'll also toss in some mint, or I'll toss in some orange or some, strawberries to give it different flavors. And this is great. You just grab this and go. It's so refreshing and hydrating. So these are some really easy Daniel Fast drinks. Before I jump to what I'm having for food this week in terms of my Daniel Fast, I had these grapes that I'm actually getting ready to put in the freezer, so I figured I'd show them to you as well. So I love grapes, and these are a great snack for the Daniel Fast. All you need to do is to just wash your grapes and then just put them in the freezer. And guys, it's like delicious hard candy when you take them out and they're frozen and you eat them. So this is going to be for snack. If I need a quick little pick-me-up snack, or even for a Daniel Fast dessert, if I don't have my Daniel Fast ice cream, which I've shown you how to make in other videos, and it's also in my Daniel Fast ebook, which will be in the description down below as well. So here is something that's quick and easy. Now let's take a look at what I'm having in terms of my food for the Daniel Fast this week. All right, guys, here are some Daniel Fast foods I'm eating this week. You can see here I have a papaya. So all I'm going to do is just peel this and chop this up. And this will be nice with like just fresh fruit in the morning or for a snack throughout the day. I love papaya. It has enzymes in it that are just great for digestion. So if you're having an issue with digestion, definitely consider adding papaya. So I'm definitely gonna have this for my Daniel Fast this week. The next thing I'm going to have on my Daniel Fast is this recipe right here. So I have this chili. If you guys want to see a video with Daniel Fast chili recipes, let me know in the comments down below and I'll definitely be able to make a video for you. But here I just have this chili and it's made with like quinoa, black pepper and sweet potatoes and, you know, onions and peppers. So really delicious. And then I have a half of an avocado. So again, I have some healthy fats. I have some protein. I have some grains. So I'm just very excited because this is a meal that will keep you nice and full. So I just took my avocado and I just cut it in half. And then I'm just going to just take my chili and just put it right on top of my avocado. Simple and easy. And I'm just going to scoop that out. And you can see, you guys, look at how like great this looks. I'm telling you, it is so delicious. So this, you can see it's just falling right over in there. And then I will just scoop this out and enjoy this. And this, guys, is super delicious. So if you're looking for a delicious idea, avocado with Daniel Fast chili is so good. The next thing I'm going to have in terms of my Daniel Fast food this week, again, you can see here, I have the other half of the avocado. I have a piece of lemon. So I'm just going to take the lemon and squeeze it right over the avocado like that. Make sure it's nicely distributed. And then I'm going to take some black pepper. So just sprinkle it right on top. If you can't have pepper for any reason, just don't. You know, you can omit that. And then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, Himalayan pink salt right on top. And then right here, I've talked about this before. Here are my shelled hemp hearts. So you can see this is all organic and it just says shell hemp seeds. So again, this is just quick and easy, great snack. Again, you have the avocado, which has healthy fats, your omega-3s. So all I'm going to do, you can see it here is my hemp heart, and I have my 1 teaspoon. So I'm just going to take a nice heaping teaspoon of my hemp seeds here, and then I just sprinkle that right on top. And then I just take my fork or my spoon and I just eat it just like this, guys. And I'm telling you, it is so delicious. It's really easy. You just, you know, you can mash it up if you'd like. And then you just take that right out like so, and you just enjoy it. And guys, this is another really simple and easy Daniel Fast meal that will keep you feeling full, because again, you have the healthy fats and you have some proteins from the hemp seeds. And guys, let me just tell you, yum, so good, and it smells amazing. So if you're going to try these Daniel Fast meal ideas, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to see other recipes, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that they know what you're doing and they can join you on this journey as you're going through your Daniel Fast. I can't wait for you guys to try these recipes. If you want this Daniel Fast chili, like I said, let me know in the comments down below. It is so good, so delicious. And I just want to remind you before you leave, guys, that you're only one prayer away. So just keep praying, keep trusting, keep having faith. God is going to come through because he's always faithful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Take care.